You want to come back to the one on this other side? Come back to the...
Just put it back in for a second. You do this. You just roll it on the side, and then okay. And then get it. Make sure you get it all glued. All the pipe's gonna go in there. Very nice. Push it in.
Yeah.
Hold.
Good. I'm good.
Okay. Byron, go ahead and glue that in either end. It doesn't matter. And when you do that, you just drag this up and spin it.
The best part is
No drips. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Either side. Just glue it. Yeah. So just drag it up like that and spin it. Okay. That's good. If you drip a couple of drips, it's okay. I was just, when you're gluing inside of somebody's cabinet, you don't want a bunch of drips. See how you're short there. So on the back side, you have to look at that. Make sure. There you go. Perfect. Go ahead and put it back in and shove it in there. Quarter turn, bang, hold it. Good.
So we're gonna have to cut a bigger piece?
Actually, yeah, we are. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece out and glue that one in. And that way we can use this piece.
Oh, okay, okay.
The Bill Bear hug. He's loving on that pipe. Okay, now glue that in there into the back end of the Y. Yeah.
Into this end, right?
Yeah, facing straight up, just like that. Perfect. It's because you're not following my technique.
I know, I tried.
You don't have to go crazy fast. I'm not. It's okay. It's just glue. Now aim it cockeyed, and then straighten it up when you push it in. Line up those two things right there, and it's perfect, right? Okay.
It's so much easier using these little lines.
Yeah.
Never even thought of that. Never seen them actually. The ones in class have them too?
Yeah.
Never even paid attention. I always put my level on it.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good too. But if you want, if you don't want things crooked, the lines help you. But yeah, you still got to put your level on it. Like the idea is we might have to crank that Y up just a hair, otherwise it might be perfectly level when you put the level on it. So this might end up being just a little bit.
Right.
Okay, so we can put it here, and
Measure that.
yeah.
So there's gonna be a 2-inch coming up, right?
Yeah, I'm just using the 3-inch to hold it. So I think, no tape.
Go home.
Go home. Go home. I think, I can't see. We need to use some fucking light.
That's a nice deal.
That's not a bad pocket light, huh?
Trade show.
You know, I got it just kind of. It looks pretty good there, doesn't it? Here, just hold that into your tape and there.
I'm good.
God damn it.
Well, this.
I think about 6 inches. Let's try that.
We can't use this one?
You can. It's harder to hold. It would be much easier to cut it off of a full piece if you were using the tubing cutter. Yeah.
The reason why is because you often, well, you go too, if you screw it too close to the then it's gonna
So I was trying to do your technique.
Yeah, I see how you're trying to do it. And it should just touch the tip of your thumb.
So what we do is we close it. The smart thing to do is you close it, you kind of hold it exactly square. We go like, let's say for
Look at Bill go. Oh my gosh. He did good, huh?
Yeah. It's easier with that.
Okay.
It is easier with that one.
So go ahead and glue that in the end of the Y. I like that rag touch he's got.
Yeah.
Your tape fell off again. There, mine's right here on the ground.
This beam close will hold this ring. That's important, right? Got it?
And then just check the back side of it where you can't see to make sure you got enough glue. That looks like just enough. Yeah, there you go. Label up, push in, twist, hold.
I've got the whole thing. Move your fingers.
Probably good.
So now
Yeah, go ahead and put it in the.
what we need to do is,
And you got your nut driver in your back pocket still?
hold on, take this.
Go home.
Well,
The one I made earlier.
We don't got a torque wrench, so.
okay, I got a torque wrench. I think.
You got it?
Cool.
Pull back up a bit. Bit more, a little more. Hold it right there. Hold it right there, Bill. Hold it right there. Alright, cool.
Right there, mister?
It looks like this is leaning a little
we
bit,
need to
so
remove more.
do it. No,
level?
it's actually straight would be a little bit more like right here. Isn't that perfect? And we could put a level on that, so he's got it in his pocket. Now, not that. I want to make sure the drain. Oh, you have this. Yeah. There we go. So I want to put this level. This is uphill, right there, and we got plenty of fall. We almost could. Looks like we could almost take a little bit more dirt out of it. Let me see this real quick. That would be level, and that's got plenty of fall, so that's great.
I like it. Where you want. I want it up a bit. Right there.
Now, that could be nitpicky as far as the 1/4 inch. If we have more, is that?
No, more is, he can't say anything about more.
But if, yeah.
Unless you're at Trade Tech. More is bad, but no. So yeah, let's go ahead and snug it up. I think that'll work. So make sure you alternate, a little bit there, a little bit on the other one. Now, stop for a second. Let's see the rubber right here. See how it's sticking out?
All right.
So maybe loosen it up and see if we can straighten it up. It's on the feel the bottom. You can feel the lip. So, and what really helps, yeah, that's looking prettier. Yeah.
It's all about your molding.
And just a little bit, and a little bit on the other one, a little bit, alternate them. Otherwise, you squeeze it too tight, and then the band's all crazy like. It just doesn't.
On the right cast iron capacity.
I put it on there, so I think it's right. Okay. Now, one thing. Yeah, that looks good. Go ahead and torque it.
Did you want to check something?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, this binding here. So this needs to go that way. That way. So these, I take these out, and we move it over 1/4 inch. We close it back in. See, everything's out of whack.
And that's torqued. There you go. Okay. Now, if we can find the plug, I'd like to put that in there so dirt doesn't fall inside there. Don't know if I got plugs. What?
Got any shims?
Nah, not really. I don't really. Plumbers don't need shims. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you take that one out.
Get about 6 pieces of 2x. And get 100 shims. And then we'll balance it. So we'll take these 2 out, shim this bit first. Boom, 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 then light it up. You can use these gravel tubes to hold it. And once we get happy, we'll light it. Because you're going to need to put it in between the lighting. The lighting's going to suck it right back in there. Well, yeah, before
Too low?
No. Okay, so the hardest part, my friend actually likes to set these straight. So like say you're over here. He likes to set this straight and then put a 90 because it's easier to measure. It's harder to figure out when it's here. Is that aimed at the where I want it to be exactly? But I don't know if I don't want to do that. I want to aim it right at it. So because we got enough people to hold tape measures, I think we could do this. Okay. So we need to find that wall, and off that wall, how far are we going to be? So. So we'll look at the plan here, and we're at this toilet right here. So I got that wall marked right behind you. It's on that blue tape. Okay, so if we know where this wall is, how far to the center of the toilet? Well, 16 inches minimum. 16. But he's got like 30 inches for all the toilets. So between the lav and the toilet, that is 1, 2, is it not quite 3 feet? It's a little less than 3 feet. A little less than 3 feet. How much less than 3 feet? Let me look at this again. It looks like it's 3 inches less than 3 feet. So instead of 36 inches, it's 33 inches. Let's ask See, he doesn't have that vanity, so that's really what's gonna center the toilet, is how big the vanity is. He says it's a 48 inch. Let me ask him. I had a question I wanted to ask you. On this toilet, if I scale it, it's like 33 inches instead of 36 inches, or is that?
Really?
Are they all like that?
Well, this is 7 foot, so
It's 7 foot.
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So and it is to scale on here.
Yeah, but you see how
So what is
if
it?
you
Is it-
you put your tape right there. Well, no, it's right around. It's right there, isn't it? It's 30. That's 3 feet, 36 inches.
Yeah.
So
But
we'll
like we
just-
said, we can go a little tighter if we want.
Yeah. You mean closer to the wall over here?
Yeah, right or not?
Yeah, I can be, well, you can be 16 inches off that wall and still have, you
I
know.
mean, it's the guest slash everybody goes in there, so we just leave it as it is. Do the 48
Well, yeah,
valve and
it looks nice if it's kind of centered in the
yeah.
space.
So yeah, let's just stick with that, right?
Okay, yeah, so we'll
You
hit
don't need me now?
36.
You don't need me now?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna do some electrical work.
Okay. All right. So I measured it and we came up with 36. So 36 is going to be half of 36 is 18. So we got something to poke into the ground.
And get some 2x, put over there in the corner. Clean 2x.
You got a pencil?
You need a pencil?
Well,
What do you need?
I don't know. That'll work.
Do you need
So
anything, Tim?
no.
Or?
So an old friend, an old plumber I know. No, I don't need anything.
Good, okay.
He would do this. He'd take a rock and he'd drop it and he'd see where it hit. So there's 18. All right. So this is where we want it, but we want it 13 inches off the back wall. There's the wall right there. So what should we do? Maybe put a string line across. Have 2 people hold the string line, or no?
Do you have a string man in your...
I do.